Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Ciming Ortega. Now I will short presentation the article about vitamin D. The first article about high prevalence of vitamin D deficiency in pregnant women and its relationship with adverse pregnancy outcomes in Guizhou, China. The aim to investigate the prevalence of vitamin D deficiency in pregnant women in Guizhou, China, and explore the relationship between vitamin D nutritional status and adverse perinatal outcomes in pregnant women. The background at women's serum vitamin D concentration was tested during early pregnancy and its correlation with adverse infant and maternal outcomes in the prenatal period was analyzed, and the result, the men's ratio of vitamin D concentration was more than 90% of pregnant women had vitamin D insufficiency. Additionally, 38.4% of women with vitamin D deficiency and 22.2% with vitamin D adequacy developed adverse perinatal outcomes. The vitamin D level was negative correlate with adverse program outcomes. And last, the conclusion: vitamin D deficiency is high prevalent among pregnant women in Guizhou, China. The incidence of adverse prenatal outcomes was for hair in association with vitamin D deficiency deficiency. And the second article, this article about serum vitamin D left in relation to hypertension and prehypertension in adults, a systematic review and the respond meta-analysis of epidemiology studies. The aim because we objective to evaluating the relationships between serum vitamin D concentration and hypertension or prehypertension, and the background findings of observational studying the evaluate the association of serum vitamin D status and high blood pressure were contradictory, and the result in progress studies 16% decrease in risk of hyper was observed in participants with high level of serum vitamin D compared to low levels. And you can reading conclusion: this meta-analysis of epidemiologic studies disclosed the serum vitamin D concentration were inversely related to the risk of HTN in adults in a dose response manner in both prospective short and cross-sectional studies. And this last article about comparison of serum vitamin D and calcium levels between children with longer than normal eruption time of waste deciduous tooth and control group. I'm Students, I meant to compare the serum level of vitamin D and calcium in infants with lower than normal eruption time of the first deduction stood with the control group normal eruption. The ground stood the eruptions a multifaceted physiological process which can be delayed by factory source or malnutrition. This result, this first eruption in all infants was the mandibular incisor. The mean serum level of vitamin D was then 38.1 plus minus 24.1 mg or ml. In infants with eruption of 8 months or less on 14.0 plus minus 21.5 mg or ml in the group of eruption at 8 ever months. Serum calcium level was 10.03 plus minus 0.55 milligram per gl in the first group and 9.992 plus minus 0.57 milligram gl in the second group. In this conclusion, it seems the serum vitamin D and calcium level in this age group do not affect the eruption disk of the eruption date.